Wondering about this lovely paradise? This blue heaven protects every drop of rain, fostering hundreds of industries and plenty of plants throughout the area. Sricity Industrial Park on the Andhra Pradesh-Tamil Nadu border in Tirupati district. With 220 firms and 62,000 employees on 7,500 acres. Sricity, the Green City, promotes pollution avoidance, vegetation, cleanliness, and water conservation. Sricity preserves ponds, lakes, and canals for future water. A sophisticated system channels all rainwater into lakes and ponds via a 100-kilometer drainage network. This water is treated for industry. 14 water bodies and continual desilting maximize water holding capacity. A borewell prohibition guarantees Sricity has enough water and reduces waste. Their modern treatment system purifies sewage and rainwater for industrial and green belt development with 4 million liters per day. Sricity won CII awards for water resource management and conservation actions that raised groundwater levels.